Hello there. Are you tired of writing short, boring sentences like, he's married, he has three children? Well, let's fix that. Today, you'll learn how to connect your ideas using relative pronouns, conjunctions, and prepositions. Well, look at these two sentences. He's married, he has three children. We say he is married with three children. You can see the difference is smoother and more natural. Relative pronouns like who, which, that, whose, where that we use to connect nouns. Conjunctions and, but, because, although, so to connect ideas, and prepositions with, at, in, on to show relation. You don't need difficult grammar, just simple connectors can change your writing.
He is married. He has three children. He is married with three children. She likes coffee. She likes tea. She likes coffee as well as tea. I met a man. He was very friendly. I met a man who was very friendly. The book is interesting. I bought it yesterday. The book that I bought yesterday is interesting. We went to a restaurant. It was very expensive. We went to a very expensive restaurant. He lost his keys. He was very upset. He lost his keys and was very upset. The teacher is kind. She teaches us English. The teacher is kind and teaches us English. I have a friend. His father is a doctor. I have a friend whose father is a doctor. She called a taxi. She was late. She called a taxi because she was late. We visited a museum. It was closed. We visited a museum that was closed. Tom lives in London. He works in a bank. Tom lives in London and works in a bank. Anna speaks French. She teaches at a university. Anna speaks French and teaches at a university. They bought a house. It has a big garden. They bought a house with a big garden. I saw a movie. It was fantastic. I saw a fantastic movie. She has a brother. He studies abroad. She has a brother who studies abroad. We ate pizza. It was delicious. We ate delicious pizza. He plays football. He trains every day. He plays football and trains every day. She enjoys painting. She exhibits her work. She enjoys painting and exhibits her work. We studied history. It was very interesting. We studied very interesting history. They are musicians. They play instruments. They are musicians who play instruments. John built a shed. It took 2 weeks. John built a shed that took 2 weeks. Mary wears glasses. She reads every day. Mary wears glasses and reads every day. The cat is black. It sleeps all day. The black cat sleeps all day. The flowers are beautiful. They bloom in spring. The beautiful flowers bloom in spring. Peter owns a car. It is red. Peter owns a red car. The laptop is expensive. It has high performance. The expensive laptop has high performance. The shop is closed. It opens at 9 a.m. The shop is closed but opens at 9 a.m. She reads novels. She enjoys mysteries. She reads novels, especially mysteries. They went to Italy. They loved the food. They went to Italy and loved the food. He found a wallet. It had money inside. He found a wallet with money inside. The phone is ringing. It sounds urgent. The phone is ringing and sounds urgent. I know a girl. She speaks 4 languages. I know a girl who speaks 4 languages. We stayed at a hotel. It had a swimming pool. We stayed at a hotel with a swimming pool. The dog barked loudly. It woke up the neighbors. The dog barked loudly and woke up the neighbors. The baby is sleeping. It is peaceful now. The baby is sleeping peacefully now. She opened the window. It let fresh air in. She opened the window, letting fresh air in. He answered the phone. He spoke politely. He answered the phone and spoke politely. The exam was hard. Many students failed. The exam was hard, so many students failed. The sun is shining. It is a beautiful day. The sun is shining, and it is a beautiful day. We crossed the river. It was very deep. We crossed the very deep river. The train was late. It arrived an hour late. The train was late, arriving an hour late. She wrote a letter. She mailed it yesterday. She wrote a letter and mailed it yesterday. He made a cake. It tasted great. He made a cake that tasted great. The room is clean. Everything is organized. The room is clean and everything is organized. The museum was crowded. It was packed with tourists. The museum was crowded and packed with tourists. He fixed the car. He did a great job. He fixed the car and did a great job. They adopted a child. She loves children. They adopted a child because she loves children. The food smells good. It smells delicious. The food smells good and delicious. The sky looks dark. It might rain soon. The sky looks dark, and it might rain soon. She finished her homework. She did it perfectly. She finished her homework perfectly. He sent an email. He attached the file. He sent an email with the file attached. The meeting was cancelled. It was postponed. The meeting was cancelled and postponed. The shoes are new. They are very comfortable. The new shoes are very comfortable. The bicycle is broken. It needs fixing. The bicycle is broken and needs fixing. The garden needs water. It needs watering. The garden needs water and watering. He organized the party. Everyone had fun. He organized the party, and everyone had fun. They watched TV. They enjoyed the movie. They watched TV and enjoyed the movie. She drew a picture. It looks beautiful. She drew a picture that looks beautiful. The bridge collapsed. It fell into the river. The bridge collapsed and fell into the river. We enjoyed the trip. Everyone loved it. We enjoyed the trip, and everyone loved it. The concert was amazing. It attracted many visitors. The amazing concert attracted many visitors. The project is complicated. It is very detailed. The complicated project is very detailed. The festival is fun. Everyone had a blast. The fun festival was a blast for everyone. The restaurant is popular. It serves great food. The popular restaurant serves great food. He climbed the mountain. It was very steep. He climbed the very steep mountain. She danced gracefully. Everyone applauded. She danced gracefully, and everyone applauded. They visited a castle. It was very old. They visited a very old castle. The story is fascinating. It captured our imagination. The fascinating story captured our imagination. The birds are singing. They sound lovely. The birds are singing and sound lovely. He wore a hat. It protected him from the sun. He wore a hat to protect him from the sun. She lost her passport. She found it at the airport. She lost her passport, but found it at the airport. The manager approved it. Everyone agreed. The manager approved it, and everyone agreed. They signed the contract. They celebrated together. They signed the contract and celebrated together. The storm caused damage. Many trees fell. The storm caused damage, and many trees fell. He repaired the fence. It looks brand new. He repaired the fence, and it looks brand new. She planted flowers. They grew fast. She planted flowers that grew fast. The boy kicked the ball. It fell into the net. The boy kicked the ball, and it fell into the net. The girl found a coin. She kept it. The girl found a coin and kept it. They sailed across the sea. They crossed the ocean. They sailed across the sea, crossing the ocean. We fixed the sink. It worked fine. We fixed the sink, and it worked fine. She took a photo. She posted it online. She took a photo and posted it online. He solved the puzzle. He figured it out. He solved the puzzle and figured it out. They missed the bus. It arrived late. They missed the bus because it arrived late. We locked the door. We heard a noise. We locked the door because we heard a noise. He broke his leg. He needed surgery. He broke his leg and needed surgery. The actor won an award. It was disappointing. The actor won an award, which was disappointing. The movie was boring. It was very educational. The movie was boring but very educational. The lecture was informative. It is spicy. The lecture was informative, though it is spicy. The soup is hot. She carried it upstairs. She carried the hot soup upstairs. She carried the bag. He misplaced them. She carried the bag, but he misplaced them. He forgot the keys. It flows quickly. He forgot the keys, even though the river flows quickly. The river is wide. It looks old. The wide river looks old. The house needs painting. They asked for a refund. The house needs painting, so they asked for a refund. The customer complained. It made a noise. The customer complained about the noise. The engine stopped working. It stopped suddenly. The engine stopped working suddenly. He dropped the glass. He cleaned it up. He dropped the glass, so he cleaned it up. She closed the shop. She turned off the lights. She closed the shop and turned off the lights. They prepared dinner. They set the table. They prepared dinner and set the table. He sang beautifully. He impressed everyone. He sang beautifully and impressed everyone. She baked cookies. They tasted amazing. She baked cookies that tasted amazing.
Practice combining your sentences every day. It makes your English sound more professional and fluent. Subscribe for more writing tips. Please comment with your own combined sentences below. Have a nice time. Bye.